Just imagine. What if you earn $50 per hour by just watching videos? How amazing is that? In this tutorial, I show you how to earn $50 per hour by just watching videos. All you need is just your smartphone or your computer. The best part is that this method is totally free and accessible anywhere on the world. This is going to be a very simple method that you will absolutely love. In just a moment, I'll show you how to register for a free account, and I'll show you which video will pay you the most amount of money. I will give you extra bonus tips at the very end of this video that will help you earn 5 times more money than everyone else. So make sure you stay until the end of this video. Now, before I explain you how you can do this, welcome to the Make Money Mindset channel, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Subscribe to Make Money Mindset and click the notification bell if you enjoy our video. Now let's get started. First of all, I want you to go onto this website called twitch.tv. Twitch is a video streaming service that focuses on video game streaming, including broadcasts of esports competitions. In addition, it offers music broadcasts, creative content, and more recently, in real-life streams. So as you can see here, you can find different videos from different channels that you can all watch for absolutely free. And as you already know, most of these videos are actually gaming videos. So we are about to use videos just like this one right here and use it to make a lot of money. Now, I want you to click on this browse button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page where you can choose different categories of different videos that you want to watch on this website. Now, I want you to focus on this particular category, which is Minecraft. This is one of the most popular video games right now. So I want you to go ahead and click on this category, and that's going to take you to the Minecraft section. This section right here has over 40 million followers. A lot of people are interested in watching these kinds of videos. And when you scroll down below, you can find even more videos that you can actually watch and make money from. Moving on to the next step, I want you to go to this website called oak.io. So this is basically how it works. First off, you have to sign up for a free account on this website. Once you create your account, you'll be able to shorten a long URL link using this site. Let's say, for example, I want to shorten this video's URL link from twitch.tv. To do so, I have to copy this video's URL link first, and then I have to go back to oak.io and paste the long URL link right here. After that, all I have to do is click this button to shorten this link. As you can see, this is the shortened link that's provided by this website. Now this is where the magic happens. Whenever people click on your shortened link right here, you are going to get paid per click over and over again. It also depends on who clicks on your link. So let's say people from Germany, when they click on your link, you're going to earn $4. And when people from the US click on your link, you're going to earn $4.10. So you'll receive a different payout rate depending on which country the person who clicked your shortened link came from. That's the exact strategy how all of these people right here from different parts of the world are able to make money online. Now take a look at this. Oak.io has already 500,000 plus registered users right now who are all actively using this website and making money on a daily basis. And the best part is that this website provides different payment options for you, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Now let me show you how to sign up for a free account with this website. So all you have to do is just click the sign up button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page where you can register for a new membership for absolutely free. To do so, just enter your username and your email address, and then create your password. After that, click on I'm not a robot and then just click submit. Once you are done creating your account, this is what your dashboard would look like, where you can see how many people actually click on your link and how much money you earn. Since this is a brand new account and we haven't shortened any link yet, you can see here $0. So right now, I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, I want you to go back to twitch.tv. And in the Minecraft category, you have to find 3 videos. So let's say, for example, for your first video, you choose this one right here. Now, all you have to do is click this video and then just click this share button. After that, I want you to copy this video's URL link. Now, we're going back to oak.io on our dashboard. And then we're going to paste the long URL link that we copied earlier right here in the box. Then I want you to click on Shorten. As you can see, this website will automatically shorten the link. So next, I want you to click on Copy. But real quick, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now, as part of the bonus tips that I've promised you, I'll give you this ready-made script right here. This is my Minecraft post template, which you can simply copy and paste and use it right away to start making money. This is how I structured my template. So basically, I'll give a brief description about this game first, and then I'll put something like this. For more Minecraft videos, click the links below to watch now. And this is where we're going to paste the shortened links of the 3 videos. By doing that, whenever people click on your links, you will make money. Let's just say, for example, for the video number 1, I'm going to paste the link we shortened earlier right here. As you can see, this is my first URL link. So whenever people click on your links, and depending on which country they're coming from, you'll earn different amounts of money. For example, people from Norway, when they click on your links, you'll earn $3. Now, all you have to do is just simply repeat the same steps. So we have to go back to twitch.tv for the second video right here. Click on the share button and copy this long URL link. And once again, we'll go back to oak.io on our dashboard. And then we're going to paste the long URL link of the second video right here in the box. Then we have to click on Shorten. And once again, the website will automatically shorten the link for you. So all you have to do is click on the copy button and go back to our copy and paste template. Then you just have to paste the second link right here on the video number 2. So for the video number 3, just repeat the exact same steps that we did for the video number 1 and 2. And that's everything you have to do. Now, as I've promised you, here is the bonus tip. I want you to go on to this forum, which is called Forums. PCgamer.com. This is a very well-known forum where people discuss different gaming stuff, including Minecraft videos. The reason why I love this forum is because this is 100% free, and it is also available worldwide. There are a lot of active discussions going on, and people keep on talking about different gaming topics every single day. As you can see here, in the general gaming under the PC gaming discussions, there are a lot of engagements and posts. Now, if we click on General Gaming, it's going to take us to this page where we can find different posts. There are many people writing very short and simple posts on this forum, and they're getting a lot of clicks. There are just so many opportunities right here on this website. Now, when we search Minecraft, you can see that there are a lot of people discussing about this game. There's a high demand in this particular gaming video category right now. You can see here on twitch.tv, Minecraft has over 40 million followers, which is just amazing. On the other hand, forums. PCgamer.com is a very good place to share this exact template, so whenever people click on any of your shortened links, you are going to earn money, which is the exact same way how all these people are able to make big money online. That's exactly how you make money from this website. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel Make Money Mindset and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.